Moab is a small city in a giant place. For our Idaho viewers, think Stanley, a small town serving as a gateway to vast landscapes and endless adventures. One of the best ways to explore Moab on your own is with a little 4x4ing. With extraordinary terrain, outstanding viewpoints, and an endless network of trails, Moab is one of the best off-road destinations in the country. Don't have a vehicle built for rugged terrain? No problem. Ditch the minivan and pick up a sweet ride in town. Explore for an afternoon or hang on to it for a few days and try not to get lost in the Utah backcountry. So here we are. Today, we have been given the keys to this beautiful red Jeep and been unleashed on Moab with no guides and no adult supervision, Chad. And this is Onion Creek Trail. This is a 40-mile loop. We are 20 miles outside of town. I was given this nice handy dandy map to go on. I'm sure we'll get lost. And yeah, we're just here to do some 4x4.
If you drive, we'll get lost. If I drive, we'll be okay.
Well, that's why you're driving.
Yes. All right, let's get out of here.
All right, sounds good.
All right, so the trail so far is really fun. It's not like enormously bumpy, nasty where it's shaking your guts out. And these river crossings are fun.
So Chad said he could make a big splash in this river crossing. So of course I jumped out to capture it, and it did make a big splash.
Just for the record, I knew I was a little close.
So right now I'm sitting in this old abandoned outlaw campsite here, and there's tons of cool stuff like this on this drive. Some old American history here in Moab.
It's just a really nice scenic drive. That's kind of, I would call it a baby four-wheel drive, where it kind of eases you into it and nothing sketchy at all, nothing scary, but absolutely beautiful and fun.
Well, Chad, we've magically made it back to our Airbnb and are now doing the outro in the kitchen because, as we learned, that is a longer drive than we were anticipating.
Because you want to stop along the way. It's so beautiful up there. So many different terrains, from the red rock to the green sagebrush up to ponderosa pines and snow-capped peaks. It's an amazing valley.
Check out other adventure ideas that you and your family can plan in and around Moab, or explore some of the things our home state of Idaho has to offer. Subscribe to the channel and follow us on social media for more great travel ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.